Somebody pull one of the levers, you know.
I'll take some.
So there'll be light.
So I was not scanned out. So come on in. When are they going to turn off the fire alarm?
Well, you know, with the false alarm, so the fire company comes and they're working on everything right now to shut it off.
Is the fire company here now?
I'm not sure because I don't see them.
Not sure. Don't see them.
Then someone just pulled the lever.
Just someone pulled the lever. Okay. So
Hard.
so it's okay to go in.
Well, just the false alarm. Hold it.
Oh, excuse me. I'm hoping I got on film where they rushed you back into the building where the fire alarm was going off because you had a beer in your hand.